stalking of Ren Zone. Ren's is something Ren Zone. Ren's friend zone. Wait, stuck in the friend zone. Ah! Come on now. Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is gonna be another transformation video. Shoot. Okay. Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is gonna be another transformation video, as y'all can see by the title. And I'm gonna be turning this jacket into a two-piece set, meaning a crop top and skirt. When I was doing YOLOs, every time I did one, multiple people would say, do another transformation video, do more videos dealing with clothes and stuff. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Let me change, take this off, and we're gonna go to the floor because I mean, could sit right here, but then it's gonna be showing all of this, and like I don't want to show all of this. So, but today is Easter, guys, and since we're on quarantine, I don't have nothing to do, and like, so I was like, you know what, let me just make an outfit and then post it for Easter. And I was like, nah, you're a genius. Yeah, so we're about to get straight in the video. So here's a jacket. I don't even know what brand. Let's read. I low-key want to do the top like how I did for Mardi Gras. It wasn't Mardi Gras, but during Mardi Gras Read for the Parades, when I did the Mardi Gras hoodie, but it was kind of like a cropped one and it had the knot right here. I kind of want to do that and have the bottom of the skirt and wear like a black tank top. I don't really know, because I was trying to figure out if I could keep the zipper only for the top, but then I was like, no, I need the bottom closed. So, oh shoot, I should have kept this on. Where's my chalk? But anyways, and maybe I'll add some safety pins to it because I love safety pins. So let's lay this out. Plus my table not even like long enough to, yeah, we moving to the floor. I was over there last time when I did it, but it's gonna be right here. So this is about to blow it. I'm about to lay this out. I'm gonna look at it from the back because I know I want to keep this part. This part I have to keep, but it's the back because the back has this little design on it, and I think it's really cool. The eyes, the detail. We love that. Can't focus. Can you focus? Oh yeah, look at the, why is it here? But look at the detail. Love that. But I don't know, I think I need to just think for a second. I want the skirt to look like a mini skirt though. That's the problem. I want it to look like a mini skirt. Is it gonna stay blurry? That's the thing. Like, come on, don't be shy. Like, why are you blurry? Can I tap it? Okay, yeah, I want it to be a mini skirt, and I just want it to be a mini skirt. This setting looks way better than what the heck I don't know what I was using. So the clips before, don't mind that. It probably looked blurry, nasty, crusty, dirty, but this one looks way better and more like, anyways, let me cut this out. It's literally too wide. Look how wide it is. Basically what is about to happen is it's gonna get taken in to the back. I'm about to go straight over here and we about to sew this baby up, and it's gonna be looking so nice. I'm just about to pin it. y'all, it came out the needle. Yeah, I'm not even about to redo it. Just blew me. So we're about to go try it on and see how it is. This how it looks in the back. It's just that. Don't look at the side because I gotta take that in. But this is just how it looks. Then after, I just have to fix the zipper and pluck this out, and we should be fine. But I'm liking how tight it is around me. Like, yes, yes sir, yes sir, yes. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm looking about to do all of this off camera, but I'm gonna come back to show y'all how I do this zipper. So yeah, I love the fact that I get the most craziest ideas when I'm off camera. So I low-key just freestyle, and I did this in the back. If y'all can see, I hope y'all can see. If you can see, you can see. But this, and I just folded the thing because like I didn't really know what to do. So the bottom is done. It's done. We're going to the top. So I'm about to put the top on. Y'all, I'm really liking it. I kind of don't know what I want to do now because I like it oversized like this. Like I think the tight bottom and the loose top is really going to give it like a nice look. We're just about to safety pin this. I'm not about to sew nothing. We're going to safety pin it, and I want to do a fold like this. I think the best choice is me lay it out and do it because I don't want my tit to show. Y'all, I'm really liking how this is turning out, and if y'all like it too, make sure y'all make sure y'all like it. So now it's laid out. So I wish I had something so y'all could really like see how I'm about to do this. But wait, oh, I said I want this side to fold. So this side is about to fold first, and I'll put a safety pin. So the safety pin is on, and now I'm about to cut this. I'm gonna cut a hole right here so that it could kind of like flip over but not have that little problem right there. And it's about to look bomb like always. So this is the finishing look. Looking real. So as y'all can see, I turned these pictures, I'm about to put them up, I turned those into this little nice fit. So it wasn't really that hard. I really don't know how much this jacket cost because once again it was for my dad. But at least he knows it's cute now and it's fashionable. But now I'm about to put my Doc Martens on, and I look oily. Come on, stop. I look messy. But and I'm about to get ready and take some pictures. And that's all for you guys. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all like for me and comment. Also, if y'all didn't understand anything, y'all could text me on Snapchat or Instagram. It's in the description below, and make sure y'all follow me. And yeah, I'm happy to let y'all know anything. I may post pictures today or tomorrow, I don't really know, so y'all should really follow me and like those pictures that I posted if I did. But yeah, y'all be safe with this corona stuff going on, and make sure y'all wash your hands and all of that. Y'all don't want to catch that. Y'all don't want the symptoms or anything. So be safe. I'm out of here. Me and my nails. And peace.